fighter coming into the ring, Michael Asuncion.
Ha? Yawa pa tayo. Ah. Yawoy. Yawoy. Pista na. Yawoy. Max.
Fighter coming into the ring. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner.
Yan.
He weighed in at 104.8 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. Ladies and
Yawoy.
gentlemen, Michael Asuncion. Asuncion. Right across the ring, fighting out on the red corner. He weighed in at
Tandaan niyo mga sinasabi ko. Kaya sa inyo lahat, sunod sa pag-iwasan sa kakabloke, touch gloves, glove, magdarapagan. Mag-wait.
Baka na!
18 years old po si Barrios. He is the boy in the green trunks and the white shoes. From the Johnny Elorda boxing stable, ang kalaban po niya si Michael Asuncion, making his professional debut, 26 years old. At si Barrios po, meron siyang isang laban. That was a draw
Uy!
with Risco habang buhay. That was in October. Yun po ang first professional fight ni Ramil Barrios. Nagsusukatan po silang dalawa. Asuncion throwing that left jab. Ganun din po si Barrios. Both fighters now trading blows to the head. Nice shot to the body there by Barrios. Combination. Body and the head. Pinalikan naman siya ni Asuncion.
Spula! Walo!
Some hard shots being delivered by both these fighters. Remember, we are scheduled for 4, kanya walang masyadong pacing dito. Both these fighters know every single round counts. Barrios attacking the body.
Uy! Uy!
Shot there by Asuncion. Asuncion again connected. He's got the killer blows, and he's moving in. One swing there by Asuncion, missing. Get that left jab from Barrios. And then trying to follow up with that
Uy!
right straight.
Layo uy.
Asuncion continuing to come forward.
Pinyo.
And then Barrios trying to set the pace. Nice shot left hand. Scored by Barrios.
Score din yan kay Mike.
Power little suspect. And the punches of Barrios. Asuncion throwing a lot of leather. Some hard shots coming from Asuncion. Barrios with a slight height advantage. Throwing that left jab.
Oh!
Looking to land that right hand.
Sayang.
Third man in the ring, si Elmer Costillas. Missing with the right hand. Barrios, but the right motive in throwing that left and then following up with the right. Gotta
Taas.
throw those combinations, guys. Asuncion. Missing that time. He doesn't have the distance. Mas mahaba sa kanya si Barrios. Left hand scored there by Asuncion. With a glancing blow.
Pasok yan na. Lipo.
And second clapper has sounded. And a very soft left hand thrown there by Barrios. And the round number 1.
Yun o.
Looking like a good one.
Yun ang message niya
Scheduled
dito.
for 4.
Silya, taga Silya siya na.
Nakalenta.
Yeah!
As a teenager, 18 years old.
Yawa ta. Uy!
Kita po natin si Michael Asuncion on your screens. And
Okay.
his cornerman, June Sales, Darrell Oliver, David. Sila po nasa kanto ni Michael Asuncion. Making his protection. Kita natin ang punch of the round. The
Oh!
right hand coming from Asuncion. Sapot na sapot yun.
Sapulo!
Again.
Oh!
Timing na timing yung kanyang
Timing talaga.
Sa drop ng kanan.
Yun,
See a
no?
close-up of Michael Asuncion getting instructions from his cornerman Jude Santos.
Ako lang videohan, hindi si Dod.
Umpisa na ang round.
Huwag na si Dod, ah. Huwag na si Dod.
What a spectacular venue. Nandito po tayo sa Makata Manila Hotel and Resort Casino. Pangalawang beses na po ang blow-by-blow dumayo dito sa Okada. And as we mentioned earlier, top of our coverage na po, ang dami na pong nabisita ng blow-by-blow, bringing the action straight to where you are.
Uy, sa police
There
rin.
by Barrios as he comes in.
Pusti lang kasi. Walis kasi dyan.
Missing with that wild ride. Si Michael Asuncion. Asuncion looking like he's bobbing and weaving, but he's staying stationary and he's staying stagnant. That makes him an easy target for Barrios, who throws a combination. Barrios throwing that left hand. Keeping a high guard to protect his face is Ramil Barrios. Johnny Elorde stable on Suka. Barrios coming in with a combination. Didn't find the mark. Asuncion trying to bully his way through the defense of Barrios.
Pull.
Right hand scored there by Asuncion. Smack on the side of the face of Barrios. Asuncion whirling away, spinning away from against the ropes.
Gigit.
And then coming in to try to clobber Barrios.
Hindi kasi suntok eh.
Rinig yung bunga mo.
Left jab upbeat now for Barrios.
Oh!
Barrios connected with the left hook, but here's Asuncion coming right back. Barrios again connected with that left hand.
Pati si Dod ka.
Hindi si Dod yun. Hindi naman sigaw si Dod.
Throw to the body now.
Hindi ka na natingin si Dod. Napikit siya.
Asuncion certainly the more aggressive of the two fighters.
Sayang.
Barrios a little more accurate in this round than in the
Yung
first.
pala, yung kusyon ko nila. Yun o, pangit na mukha niya.
Again the left hand.
Yan!
Jab. Pumping for Ramil Barrios. Second round ng Puerto Rico, we're scheduled for 4. And Asuncion against the ropes.
Hindi mo siya ba sa mga
Barrios. Barrios is in the corner. Good situation here for Barrios as he comes charging in. Mahawag naman si Asuncion.
Punasan mo yun.
Cornerman of Ramil Barrios telling him what to. Hinahanap na lang yung kombinasyon ni Ramil Barrios. That's gotta work. That combination has to work against Michael.
Uy, isa pong dalawa.
Asuncion coming right back. Seems to be more
Saan ba yung sumbong?
powerful than Barrios in throwing his punches. Again, the 1-2 combination galing kay Barrios. That's the end of round number 2
Awaw
action.
tay!
Round. Hard to say kung sinong lumamang sa round na yun. Barber, watch some of the action here.
Uy, tumama guys.
There, and spraying the perspiration out of the face of the round natin, brought to you by
Uy!
Miguel Diaz.
Wapo!
Sabi po ay nagpapasalamat kay 8th Division World Boxing Champion Senator Manny Pacquiao for making
Manny
Blow
Pacquiao.
by Blow possible and bringing this show to where you are.
Third.
Sabi nga natin kanina, no, nanggaling na po tayo sa Quezon City, sa San Juan, sa Mandaluyong, naku hanggang Narpangan,
Uy!
Ilocos Sur, Pasig, Iloilo, General Santos 2 beses. And Blow by Blow is moving around the country, unveiling a platform for very promising, very up-and-coming fighters. And we're hoping that some of these fighters will someday step into the shoes of Senator
Yun sa pulo.
Pacquiao.
Uy, sa uli!
Now there's exchange going on. And Barrios continuing to push Asuncion towards the ropes. Certainly a lot more activity now coming from Barrios, putting a lot of pressure on Michael Asuncion. Again, the combination. Tapos tinawanan siya ni Asuncion. Tinamaan na si Asuncion, humindi pa. But that's a sign of a fighter who's taking some punishment from his opponent. Once more, the combination, the right hand, connecting there for Barrios.
Uy!
Here comes Asuncion, counter-punching. Trying to
Mga
play
guys.
his way through the defense ni Ramil Barrios. Right hand scored by Ramil Barrios once more. That right hand has been the Sunday punch for Barrios. Tama-tama, Sunday. Ang programa natin on Blow by Blow sa MPTV, sa One Sports. And a nice sized crowd watching the action dito po sa umaga.
Yan.
Good round here for Ramil Barrios as his combinations clicking away, and that right hand punishing Michael Asuncion.
Yan!
Hand scored there by Asuncion, catching Barrios a little off balance. Kasi pwede dito si Ramil Barrios, especially with his combinations. Again, Barrios already with one professional fight under his belt. That was a draw, wearing the green trunks.
Oh!
Overhand right scored there by Asuncion. And he's swinging away. He's looking for a home run. Asuncion now has Barrios against the ropes. Barrios moving away, bringing the fight back to the center of the ring. Left hand scored there by Barrios. Yung pattern natin nakikita, si Barrios pushing Asuncion towards the ropes. That's where he wants it. Now they're back in the center of the ring. Nakakama doon si Asuncion with the right hand. Asuncion
Yan!
through.
Ooh!
Hard punches. Swinging away, and that's the end of round number 3. Nakabawi ng bahagya si Asuncion towards the end of that round.
Kabawi guys.
But I thought
Sunsyon.
Barrios had the advantage for most of that round with his combinations clicking away.
Wow!
You know,
Trainer oh.
si,
Trainer.
Michael Asuncion, si Jung Sales, ang kanyang trainer.
Oh!
Good fight. Ito naman po.
Jung Sales ang trainer.
By San Miguel Beer. Makikita po natin ang right hand scored by Asuncion. Good timing there
Salis lagi.
in throwing that right hand. At dito po sa ringside, nakikita po natin ang
Guwapo.
walang iba kundi ang World Boxing Council President himself, si Mauricio Suleiman.
Guwapo.
At kasama po niya si Mr. Sean Gibbons
Ha?
of Vigo Promotions.
Last round.
Okay, mag-umpisa na po ang ating
Guwapo pa rin.
nasa front row po
Hindi.
sila.
Desisyon lang, draw nga sila eh.
Tsaka si Mr. Suleiman. Mga VIPs po natin yan.
Hi!
Boxing but in
Tama. Kay Mike pala yung 3 at 4 sa kalaban niyo.
lumalawak na po
Yung 1 at 2 sa kalaban. Kaya pala nag-draw.
sa ating program.
Oo.
Nice hand scored by Asuncion. He comes charging in.
Oh.
Last round na po ito. Kaya kumusta yung dalawang boxers. There's Ramil Barrios. And then Asuncion
Sayang.
giving what he's
Oh.
taking. Action is back in the middle of the ring.
Wala sa body. Kulang sa body.
Asuncion, tumama na naman.
Ilalong.
Here he comes. Asuncion probably figures he's behind on points. Barrios covering up.
Sayang. Ito may maliit.
Running out of gas si Barrios. Hindi mo masyadong sumusunod dito. Yung right hand na nakita natin that was scoring heavily in the previous round. Hindi na masyado natin nakikita rito. That right straight ni Barrios. Asuncion trying to recover lost ground. Maganda kanyang pasimula dito sa ating round number 4. Pero paiwas-iwas na lang. Si Barrios making good use of the ring.
Oh!
At makita po natin, WBC President Jose Sulaiman, kasama niya si Viva Promotions Head and FP Promotions Head, Sean Gibbons at si Mr. Johnny Alorde. Ang stable po niya si Johnny Alorde is where Ramil Barrios is fighting out of. Super itong laban na ito. 4-rounder lang ito ha. This is a preliminary pero napakagandang sako pa ang napapanood po natin.
Ba talaga?
Oy!
Oy!
In his first professional fight. And Barrios trying to pick up his first professional win.
Whoops!
Less than a minute to go in this round. Asuncion continuing to
Bigla.
lug away.
Ano
Leading.
sa PBC?
Spre.
Saan?
Bebe daw may papalo. sa pool yun!
Big shot once more by Michael Asuncion as he tries to
One
beat
sports.
Ramil Barrios against the ropes.
5 minutes pa.
Hindi na naman.
Here we go again. These guys are giving it their all. Alam nila kasi, ang dami mga VIPs na nunood, kanya they're out to impress. They know that WBC President Mauricio Sulaiman, no less, is in the house.
Uy!
Watching it ringside, kasama niya. Si Liga Promotions,
Sayang yun, ah.
FP Promotions head. Sean Gibbons.
Bilis, bilis!
And we hear the sound of the 10-second clamor. The fight is about to end. And that's it.
That's it.
End of the round. End of the
Yan o.
round. And,
Yan o.
momentarily, we will get the
Axe
official
naman.
announcement. Sino po nanalo sa laban? Oh, what's up,
Lagi
what's up?
naman yan pinapakita eh.
It was a good fight. A 4-rounder
Ang
win.
ginawa niya eh.
Probably
Yan.
combinations. Papilihan po natin. Punch of the-
Yap! Boom!
Yung kanan galing kay
Isa pa nga.
Asuncion.
Boom! Kulang sa knuckle.
Roundhouse right. Scored by Asuncion.
Kulang sa knuckle guys.
And you
Uy!
see the grimace on the
Nakita
face
na
of
naman, oh.
Barrios after taking that punch.
O, pinakita na naman tayo guys.
Sean
Ahem.
has been called up to the ring, the former
Ano pa?
champion in his own right. Siya po ay lumaban for the world championship during his professional career.
Mundial.
Official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, here are the scores of the 3 judges. Judge Nobleza scored in 38-38.
30-38.
Judge Garcia scored in 39-37.
Uy!
Judge Abaisa scored in 38-38. We have a majority draw.
And it's a draw. Majority draw po ang
Uy!
decision ng ating mga judges.
Uy, sayang yun, ah.
That was a fair
Unity,
decision.
ah.
They did say, too close to call.
Sayang yun,
Both
Buya.
fighters had their moments.
Sayang yun boy ah. Laki mo na boy, baba tayo boy.
Clear winner after
Yun, oh.
4 rounds.
Ah! Boy boy ay!
Ito, para malaman natin kung sino talaga nanalo. Parang sa fair decision, we'll take it. Maganda yun.
Uy, bumaba! Uy, sa turno yun! Ako yawa ko bata ay!
Natin yan. Kung saka sakali pa tayo present. Chip
Ah!
here.